Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with this Mercedes ML320 W164 chassis and it's got a problem. Now the owner took it to an independent retailer to have a new battery fitted. Now when he picked it up it's got this visit workshop. They didn't know what's causing that, and to save an expensive visit to the Mercedes dealership we're going to have a quick look at what might be the problem here. So let's get into it.
Now in my experience, this error symbol shows when there is actually a problem with the vehicle's little auxiliary battery. Now, given that this error was not here previously, I genuinely suspect that when the new main battery was replaced, the earth connection to the auxiliary battery was accidentally disconnected. But let's get into it and have a look to see what's going on here.
Alright, so the first thing we've got to do is to move the seat all the way forward, because that's the seat on the right hand side, and then to lift it up to get access to the battery compartment.
So we then come around behind the right hand seat and we need to remove all of these plastic covers and vents because this is where the batteries are located in the ML-Class vehicles. And there we go. Straight away I can see that the earth connection to the auxiliary battery is not connected, and I am absolutely certain that this is the problem. So we're going to simply reconnect it onto the main battery's earth terminal, and then we will start the car and see if the error has gone away.
So there you go folks, there's no battery warning now. That's all the problem was, that brown wire which connects the main battery to the auxiliary wire hadn't been connected by those independent retailers that installed the battery on this vehicle. So there you go folks, you've saved an expensive trip to the Mercedes dealership to get this fixed. So there you go folks, quick fix here for the Mercedes. If you've got a similar problem, I hope this has helped you. And in the future, look out for more Mercedes videos. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.